Come here. Do you guys like that? Do you like that? Do you like that? Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a Target and IKEA haul. I just put up a Kmart haul not so long ago. In my Kmart video I explained what I was doing, so I'm just getting some stuff for my spare bedroom and my main bedroom, but I think most of this stuff will be for the spare bedroom. So the colour scheme I'm going with is white, grey and pink, so it matches the rest of my house decor. Here's so cute. So that is what I'm doing. I don't have too much from IKEA to show you, but there is still a little bit. So I might start with the IKEA stuff so that we can just get that out of the way. So the first things I'm going to start with are these white frames that I got. They were really cheap, like $2 or $3 I think, so they were really good price. They're just a simple white frame, so I got this size and I got two of the small ones because I thought that'd look cute together. And then what I want to do in the other small one is put like the Wi-Fi password so that people that stay in my spare room can just connect to my password. So I thought that would be a cute idea. Pinterest. So the next two items I'm going to show you, I got this plant and it doesn't have any of the details of what plant it is, but again I think they're really cheap. They're so cheap. Everything in IKEA is just like really cheap. So I got this one, which I already have throughout my house already, so I thought it would still be cute to fit in, and just a little pale pink pot, and it just fits nicely in there. Now the next two items, so this comes like this, so it does have a black pot, but it does look fake when it's like that. So you don't necessarily have to buy a pot for it, but I did. I just really liked the look of the leaves, and I feel like greenery and stuff just really breaks up a house. And then I also got this pot. I think this plant was $50, so I guess if it's fake it's pretty decent for the price. And this pot was I think $20 or something like that. I feel like the pot was more on the pricier side than anything else I bought, but it is really heavy, so it is a good pot. I can't complain about that. Alright, so let's get into the Target stuff. I do have a massive box here with everything that I've ordered. I think, yeah, I've got all the prices, so that's alright. Okay, so the first item is this big fluffy sort of rug thing, which I want to put in front of the mirror cupboard that's in there. I know that you can get these a bit cheaper from Kmart, but the Kmart ones I feel like have this really weird like texture look to them now. Oh, do you like that, do you? Well, she approves of the fluffness. You like that? Well, that's good. So, but yeah, so you can get these cheaper from Kmart, but I definitely preferred the Target one better. It just looked more like fluffy and soft and nice. So that one cost me $29. Matt, do you want to sit on it there? Do you want to sit there? Or did you just want to sit on my knee? Is that what you were doing? No, you want to sit on the fluff. Okay, you can claim that as yours. The next item I'm going to show you is this round velvet cushion. I thought this was so cute. I love the pink of it too. It fits perfectly. This cost me... So this one was only $15, which I think is pretty good for a cushion. I'm very happy with it. So, no, that's good. And then I got two of the same cushions, except I got them in pale pink and grey. So as you can see, they just go nicely together. So what I'm going to do on the bed, here's my little idea looking thing. How do I do it? Like that. And then in the middle, it's going to have that one. So it'll look cute. But these cost me... So these pillows, well cushions, cost me $8 each, so that was really good. They're just a simple plain cushion. The next item I am showing you is this throw rug that I also got. It does match the pink, which is a bonus, but it's different to what I thought it was going to be. It'll still look cute though. Like this. And then, so it is just an amity tassel throw, which is 127 meters by 151.52 meters. Sorry, no. And that cost me $39. The next two items I'm going to show you are these European pillowcases, because if you saw on my Kmart haul, I got like the big square European pillows, and I didn't want to do a colour pillowcase for them, I just wanted to keep it simple. We'll have a look what they look like though. How much did they cost me? So it was $15 for one pillowcase. They're quite dear, the European pillows, but worth it. That is so cute though. It comes with its own little baggie. Not sure if I'll ever put it back in there, but... So it's just a nice white one with this white texture, like, not print, but like stitching on it. So I think that's quite cute. I think that'll look very nice. You can tell I go all out to make things pretty. And the last two, I got two of these table lamps just to put on the bedside table. They're just a white with a silver thing. I'm not going to take them out of the box at the moment because I'd rather do that when I'm upstairs setting it up, because you have to put it all together. But these were pretty cheap from the Marie too. Yeah, these were only $12 for a lamp, so I'll have to buy a lamp globe. Globe not included. Okay, let's take a picture because I gotta go to shops anyway. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? So that is everything from my Target and IKEA haul. I'm so excited to set up this spare room, like I cannot wait. Like I am so keen. You know when you just can do something new and make it look all fresh and pretty, and my mum and her husband are going to come stay the end of this week, so I'm just excited to make it look all nice and swishy for them, and I just can't wait. So that'll be good. Very, very good. So I hope you like this video. If you want to see any more videos like this, then let me know. I'm not sure like how many homeware haul videos I will do because I have a lot of the stuff that's in my house already. But if I do end up buying any other stuff for it, I will show you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good day and I'll see you later. Bye.